Hey everyone, it's JP, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video for the Potomac Best Bead Box subscription box. And so I will be just going over all of the beads that are in the box, and this box was sent to me free by Potomac Beads to do the review and show you what's in the box. And this is for March, and I realize that this is the second to the last day of March, and I should have done it a little bit earlier in the week, but time got away from me. Anyway, let's go see what's in the box. Alright, I'm ready to open the box. Let's take a look what's inside. So, here is this month's tutorial. And, whoops, I guess I shouldn't open it all the way up. It's the Painted Desert Necklace. So, there is the tutorial. It gives you what beads you need, and of course, all the instructions in nice big illustrations. Also, I know that Potomac Beads also has the video on their YouTube channel. So if you prefer the video as opposed to instructions, they do have that too. And then here is what's inside the box. So on the first column here, those are everything that comes with the one pattern and all the beads for that. And then there's the extra beads for your stash column here. So let's start with what's in the Painted Desert Necklace. And that comes separated in its own little Ziploc bag, so that is perfect. And alright, so I've got all the items laid out, and I'm just going to go down the list as it is here in the sheet. And so the first item on that list is 4 grams of Toho seed beads, or these are the 15s. I'm not going to take them out of the bag because it's not a Ziploc. It's one of these sealed shut bags, and I don't have any place to put them yet. So, or a little baggie or something to put them in, and so they'll just spill. But these are metallic hematite is the color, and then we have the 11s, which are also this is metallic cosmos, but the colors are almost identical. So there's the 11s. And I just noticed that my nail polish is chipped. I totally did not notice that until after I started recording. So, oh well. My apologies. I know somebody will leave a comment saying, do your nails. Sorry, didn't get a chance. The next item on the list are faceted rounds 4mm. So here we go, I'll just take those out. And these are pretty. Really like this orange color. And I'm going to grab a needle so I can hold it up. And I don't know if you can see that against my hand. Very pretty opaque orange color. And let's see. Or they're coral actually is the color as listed on the label. And then there's 2 4mm rounds. So I've got one in turquoise and one in Aztec gold. So here's those. Let's pop these open. I'm trying to avoid cutting the label, that way I know the colors. But, ooh, I love the turquoise and the gold. That's such a pretty combination, I think. So, here they are. Very pretty. And the next item are these gemstone rounds. And they're also 4mm, and there's a mix of different ones. So, let's take a look at these. Oh, I just love these. Look at all these different colors, and you can see there's like a howlite and there's some quartz. I love gemstones. I hope you guys do too. I love them. I don't wear as many, but I do love them. And then the final item is the lobster claw clasp for the necklace. So that is the Painted Desert necklace, and these are the beads that go with it. Now let's go into the beads for the stash. Alright, so here's all these items that came with the beads for your stash. And so going down the list, I'm going to go ahead and just move some of the extra stuff over, but the first item on the list is an antique brass clasp. So this is neat, gorgeous clasp. Oh man, this would be so much fun. I can't think of what I'm going to do with it, but this will be just amazing to design with. Then there is a silk tassel, and it is in denim blue. So let's see if I can pull it out. Yep, there it is. Very pretty. Ooh, it's so soft and silky. So next is 50 Potomac crystal rounds. So, I've got 2 of them. So yeah, I guess they're both 4mm. So I've got the crystal round in silver and the crystal rounds in aqua bee. So taking me forever to open that. There you go. Those are very pretty. And here's the AB. Ooh, those look nice together. Good combination there. Very pretty. Let's see if I can get a little closer. So, very nice. And then I have quad bows, and yep, the labels kind of didn't print right, but those are the quad bows. So, and I bet these are Aztec gold, or, yep, that's what it says there. You can't see it, but that does say Aztec gold. So, love this color. Aztec gold. And then the next item are Ava beads. So I got 2 of those. I have not worked with Ava. I've worked with the Eva, which are like the mini version of these. So I do have some of those. But these are nice. So good for a pair of earrings. I'm sure I can come up with a fun design for that. Potomac crystal ingot, 4x8mm. I have not worked with these before, but they're like a square tube, because the hole is not on the sides, but actually along the length of the bead. So there it is, and this color is metallic green. So I'm trying not to show you my chipped nail. I'm very aware of it, and I'm sure you're going to notice it too. So I'm trying to keep my thumb out of the... Anyway, let's focus. So these are very pretty. I have not worked with these. I wonder what I could come up with as a design for those. And the next are one glass cabochon. They have some really unusual prints for their cabochon. I have another one that's houndstooth, and this one is called Bold Blossom, and it's 20mm. That's the size. So pretty neat. And there's the back. Then I've got round duos and super duos. So yeah, here's the round duos, and these are in Bordeaux. So the round duos, if you've never worked with them, are a 2-hole bead. So they've got 2 holes. If I can find my needle. And let's see. And there's the other one. So there they are. There it is. They're fun to play with. I mean, there's some interesting designs that you can do. And you can do 2 holes, and sometimes actually you can, if you don't have these, and you can change them over. You can use just the regular, like a regular round. But this is fun to play with. And the last is Red Picasso Super Duos. So I've actually used this before. I actually have this color and done a bunch of designs in this. But this is a very pretty color of the Super Duos. It's like a olive green and a red. Don't know if that's apparent in this. You can see some of the red, but let me grab a few more. So you can see there's some that have red and this sort of olivey green. Well, those are all the beads that came in the stash.